Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making living things. So first, I'm making a turtle. So for that, I'm making a tree and a curved type of line to make the turtle's shell, a curved sleeping line to make the mouth, then this shape to make two legs and a pointed tail. After that, I'm making two more legs which are hidden a little bit. Next, I'm making an eye. So for that, I make a circle, a small curve and two circles inside, and we will color the rest of the area using our pencil. Next, I'm making a smile and a small circle for the nose. I'm making a half hexagon and lines coming from it to make the scales. And next I'm making a mushroom. So for that, first I'm making a stem, a circle or more like an oval, and a cap shape on top, some lines. I'm fixing the stem a little bit because the bottom is thicker. I'm making one more mushroom using the same method. And some ovals to make the pattern, which most mushrooms generally have. Now next I'm making a flower. So for that I'm making a big U, take a line down and another line, then make a triangle, make a long V for the stem and some long leaves. I'm making 4 long leaves. You can make as many as you like. And I'm making a bee, which is also a living thing. I'm making it like a butterfly looks. Using the same technique, we'll make it, but with no designs, only these lines to show the yellow and black color, a small wing type of and a big one on top. After this, I am making a duck. So for that, we will make a 2, double it, make a 3 and another 3 for the feathers, an eye and a U-shaped beak, and next a fish using a very simple method. You can make any type of patterns you like on the fish. I'm making long U's. And I am making water too because water is optional, because we are making living things, so it's not compulsory to make water, but you can make water for a little bit of design. And next I'm making an owl. So an oval and 2 circles for the eyes, 2 more circles inside, and color the extra portion just like we made the turtle's eyes. A small triangle for the beak, 2 horn shapes, an almond shape, an upside down almond for the wings, a big curved shape for the body, some curvy lines, and next I'm making a branch. We are showing that it is sitting on a branch. Its feet, I'm making some leaves on the branch. and I am making, and in the last we will make grass. I'm making some flowers in the grass, and then I'm writing the names of everything we made. And this is the final look. Thanks for watching.